If you are working on your data set as a data scientist or a data analyst, or you want to provide the services as a freelancer or as a data scientist or data analyst, this video is very informative for you, because in this video I am going to teach you how we can clean our data set. Remember guys, before proceeding any statistical analysis as a data scientist or as a data analyst, the main thing is that how organized is our data, how much data set is clean. As our data set will be as much clean, we will get the best values and the best output. So guys, in many cases I have seen that many clients, many researchers and many companies don't focus on data cleaning. So today we will do practically cleaning of a simple data set that I have taken as a sample, and by following that step you can also clean your own data set. And that sample data set is we will clean in 3 to 4 steps. These are the basic steps that are involved in the data cleaning. So guys, I make videos on the data cleaning as a statistical analysis and a data scientist. On my page I also share the updates regarding the scholarships as well as different jobs as a data scientist. So guys, must follow my page and subscribe my YouTube channel. Without wasting time, let's start our video and we will learn how we can clean the data set by following the simple steps. We will follow a simple sample data set. So first of all, I am going to import a sample data set. I will go to the data tab. To import a data set, I will import dataset in the form of the text, because I have sample datasets in the form of the text format. And a tool that we can use SQL, RStudio as well as different softwares to clean the data, but I am going to use Excel to clean the data. So simple, I will come to the download. Here I have a text data name as a sample dataset. I will import this dataset. Here you can see that the dataset will be imported onto the Excel sheet. So we will follow all the steps. I will also explain the step and we will execute all these steps for your better understanding guys. So here you can see that this is our sample dataset. I will load this dataset. You can see that the dataset is loaded. So in that dataset, first of all I will highlight the issue step by step and we will fix all the steps step by step practically. So here I will close this. Yes, so here you can see that our dataset has A, B, C, D, E, F rows. It means we have column, we have 5 columns. Same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have 5 rows. So in our dataset we have name, age, sign up date, order value and a country, as well as different IDs, names, age group and a sign up date, order value as well as country. So what we will do with the dataset. So guys, here you can see that in the first step of the data we will see that either we have repeated values, duplicate values. So before data cleaning, data analysis, we will clean our data set, and the first step will be the remove the duplicate values. Here is duplication. You can see that John S is repeated 2 times. ID 101, name John S, as well as sign up date, order value and a country. These are repeated values. So in the first step we are going to fix this issue. So the first step is how to remove the duplicate. So highlight this complete data. I highlight, so sorry, highlight dataset from here. Yes, ID number 1012, column number F. You will highlight all the data and here simply you will go to the data tab. Here you can see that option remove duplicates. So here you can remove, simple, you will click and you will remove all the duplicate values. Simple, click here and click OK. Here you can see that we have removed all the duplicate values. Now we have only 4 rows: John S, Anna Smith, Mike D, Sarah L, and the repeated value have been removed. So this is the first step in our data cleaning. Now we will move to the second step. So in step number 2 of data cleaning, we will do the text standardization. What is text standardization? Guys, here you can see that in our text, John S is capital, Mike D is capital, Sarah L is capital. Same in country column, USA is capital, Canada is capital, US is capital, but you can see that UK is in small letter. So we will fix it. We will make Anna Smith capital, UK in capital. Here are 2 ways. Simply we can click here and write it manually in capital. Simple, we will click on UK and write it manually capital. And the second method is we can apply the formula, that is standard method. When we are going to deal a large data set, we apply the formula. So I will also apply the formula. Simply come on column G. here you will write down the formula. Simple formula is that as we are going to fix Anna Smith, so we will come to the G and the row Anna Smith and the column G. Simply write down equal and then formula proper small bracket, and here you can see that we are going to fix column number B. So write down the column number B and the number is 3. So simple, that is 3, and close the bracket, and we will fix press the enter. Simply here you can see that Anna Smith is in the capital letter. So we will simply copy this complete column, copy this column, and here you will click on the Anna Smith here, and sorry Jonas, and simply paste here. Here paste option you can see that 1 2 3. Simply click here and you can see that Anna Smith is in capital letter. So we have fixed this. So we will remove this extra column. How? We will right click here and simply delete this column. Yes, simply delete this column. Yes, this column is deleted. Here you can see that Anna Smith is in now capital letter. So in the next step we will also fix a issue. So here you can see that UK is also in the small letter. We can also fix it manually by writing simply UK in capital letter, and the second method why we can apply the formula same like we applied on the Anna Smith case. So simply right click here on H column, we will follow the H column, and here we will simply write on the equals. Now we will write upper bracket, and now you can see that it is in column number F. Write on the column number F and number 3 here. Yes, close the bracket and press enter. Here you can see that we have got UK in capital letter. Simply click here, copy here, come to the UK on the column number F here and press V. Here you can see that now UK is in capital letter. We will simply remove this complete column. Yes, now you can see that two issues have fixed. First we removed the duplicate values. In second step what we did, we simply capitalize all the name. Hey, country name in capital form and the Anna Smith in capital form. It is called text standardization. We have completed text standardization, and in 3 steps we will handle the missing values. Here you can see that in the age column number C, here are A28 of the Jonas, Anna Smith have A34, Mike D A240, and the Sarah L age is missing. So here is two way how we will do manage the missing values. We will simply delete this first method. Second method, we can here write the average age. For example, we can write here 30. Simply type here 30 and enter. So we have also fixed the missing data. So till now we understand 3 things. First, how we can manage the duplicate values. Number 2, how we can standardize the context. And number 3, how we can handle the missing values. And in number 4, how we can remove the outliers. Outliers mean that we have some values that are practically impossible. Like hey, in age column you can see that age is 240. That is practically not possible. So what we will do? We can simply remove it, because it is not practically possible a human can have 240 age. So we will remove the outliers. Second method that we can write here simply suppose age 34 and press enter. So here you can see that guys, we have a clean data set, Jonas, Anna Smith, and on this data set we can perform the different analysis. Which analysis can perform? We can perform descriptive statistics by using Excel. We can perform the correlation by using the Excel and or other software. So guys, this is how we can clean the dataset by using the Excel. So I again repeat 4 steps. In the first step, what we did, we simply remove the duplicate values. Mean we remove the duplication. In second step, we standardize the text. Mean we write all the name in equal pattern in capital letter. In number 3, we fix the missing values. In number 4, we remove the outliers. So guys, this is how we can clean the data set. For all the videos related to the statistical data analysis and the data, you can follow my page. Here I update on daily basis videos related to the data analysis. Guys, must follow my page as well as my YouTube channel. And if you want statistical data analysis services by using the Stata, RStudio, Python, eViews, Minitab, Jamovi, Excel, Python, you can contact me. I am providing services from 6 to 7 years to different researchers, students, as well as different health sectors, finance companies, and different cosmetics as well as e-commerce websites. So guys, must follow my page. Thank you.